to grow samani?
We need butter
Seeds of wheat.
and cheesecloth.
We put seeds of wheat into the deep plate.
We put butter into the plate. And water should cover the seeds.
We put our samani into the warm place one day.
Hi.
On the second day, we put our wet seeds out of the water. We put them on the plate only one line.
So that every seed grows.
I can help you. Only one line. Only one line. It's enough. No, it should be in this way. Okay.
And cut the cheesecloth. And cover the seeds with cheesecloth.
Bir tane diyen kızım diye. We water the cheesecloth every day.
Hi. On the third day, if seeds are start to grow and there are sprouts of them,
We put seeds to other plate. And cover them with cheesecloth again. We water every day.
on the first day we take away the cheesecloth and it will be open till samani is gone.
Bye.